When I got my car, I still remember it used to be 102 after I traveled for about an hour, and now it's just showing me 87 average. I think is all you can see now. My current temperature oil temp is at like 89 and it's very hot. I have been running the car for about half an hour now. So you can see now I'm stuck in traffic and my running temperature is oil temp is at 86. I will advise those VW owners to keep their oil temp on screen just in case, because this will always show 90 and when they shoot up it will become overheat. It may be too late. So what happened was last week my oil temp suddenly shoot up to 100 over and I was pretty worried and was stuck in a traffic jam. So good thing is I managed to sort it out, and it actually have a symptom of showing that the fan has difficulty to move. So I replaced the fan and now it's back to normal. So I would strongly advise to actually use the oil temp as your gauge